My name is Cool Banana. That isn't my actual name. That's my channel name. And today we're gonna make Sprite lemonade, a Kool-Aid drink. So we add some of the Kool-Aid drink mix powder, whatever it's called, that I have no idea why it's doing that. And we're gonna, it turned into crystals, and we're using 1/4 of a teaspoon of that
To 2 cups of water.
to 2 cups of water.
And the great thing is
that
I'm adjusting the sugar intake.
Is that you can regulate your sugar intake. Stop telling me what to say. And then we add sugar. This is where you have to be careful. You don't want it to be too sour or too sweet.
So use 1 tablespoon here. This is 1 tablespoon.
This is 1 tablespoon. And you pour in the sugar. And then you stir it around till the sugar dissolves. And here is the healthy part. We're gonna add a little bit of lemon.
How many drops? That's it. It's good.
That many drops and a tiny squeeze of lime. And then we stir it again.
Taste it. The sweet.
And taste it.
The sweetness. Keep stirring it.
That's too sweet. No, it's too sour.
So, how much more sugar? I'm going to continue to stir.
I'm going to continue to stir.
Make sure it's
Make sure it's sweet. And that's perfect. The final step is pouring it into your container. And you put all this in the sink. And you put the sugar back there. The lemon and lime go into the fridge. And then and then the Kool-Aid powder goes on the spice rack. And this goes in here, I think. Can you help me? I don't know how. Now it's time to drink it.
You're not opening it.
Bye.